Well, we woke up to this morning. This was not in the forecast. Chris Michaels over at WRAL, meteorologist, he said, in essence, this is a blown forecast. Full admittance. I guess Francine interacted, and we have rain coming in off the coast in a typical low counterclockwise rotation. It said something about the upper level was more disturbed than they thought it would be, and it interacted with the moisture, and now we have this. So I'm fixing to go out back. Remember, with this new camera, I can't really get it wet, so I shouldn't have been getting the old camera wet either, but I can't get it wet. And yeah, Tux is under the bench, and Marty, Morris, and Stripe are up on the platform. I'll put some food in the cat hotel and on the platform. There they are. I got Stripe to go back inside, and yeah, there was some confusion for sure over who was supposed to be where with it raining. Guess who's coming to see you today? Yeah, it'll be late today, but Johnny's coming to see you. That's right. You're going to be very happy. Come here. Hi. For the guy that's driving us across state and back today.
Yeah.
There's some food.
Yeah.
There's a chaffle underneath the egg.
Oh, way cool. I see it.
Well, Marty and Morris are looking very comfortable there on the bed together. I don't know how good you can see it, but their two little heads are smushed up. And if we go down, I didn't mean to go out, I meant to go down. Yeah, you can't really see him, but Tux is in there in the doghouse. You might be able to see just the speck of his white chest hair. I have no idea where Stripe is right now. Obviously not with Tux. He didn't want to stay in, so that's his choice. I'm in here with Cuddlebug, editing yesterday's video. It's still raining outside enough here that we wouldn't really want to go for a walk, and since we'll be on the road this afternoon to pick up Johnny, knocking it out. Hey, Gray. Hi, Gray. Hey, Cuddlebug. Hi. Dawn's gonna take a nap, and you know, because we're not going to be home tonight until 9 o'clock at least, so we'd be driving through nap time. We want him to be fresh on the road. I'm gonna do bag 14, start on the graveyard here. 14, 15, and 16 are the last bags, and they're all for the graveyard. And there's Sally. So 14 was the base plate, and 15 is going to continue on. Well, 15 is done. There's the iconic swirl black cloud part of the set. Be adding the moon and the ghost dog and the rest of it. Bag 16 coming up. Since I've built this now, I guess I ought to go watch The Nightmare Before Christmas, which I've never seen. It's pretty cool. Lots of nice design elements. Lots of stickers on the tombstones here. And the yellow part is a piece of cardboard. Looks tempting to kitty teeth, if you ask me. Hopefully that won't happen. It would be more convenient loading up if it wasn't raining. But it's not raining down in Charlotte, so unloading will be okay. We're just taking some cream soda, some Zevia drinks down. Johnny should be out of his physics lab not later than 5:15. And it's just going to be like that this semester with, you know, we can't do early pickups on Friday. But it's this semester and it is what it is. So we should be on campus by 5. So our timing is good.
That was, my hand was heavy on the steering wheel. Ruby's very sensitive.
Don's looking spiffy in his Guardian Angel shirt. One of the ones I've bought home in the last 6 months.
Yeah. Well, I try to wear them because I don't go very many places, and I don't get a chance to wear all this pretty close. My sweetie buys me.
We're making good time, and I guess we're halfway to the supercharger in Thomasville, where we like to stop on the way down. Like I said, as soon as we cleared out of the Fuqua area and went a little bit west around Siler City, we got out of the heavier rain, which is not to say that it's not cloudy or potentially rainy over here. It's just not pouring like it was back at home. That was drifting off the coast. We're about 120 miles from the coast, and it just wasn't making it inland any more than that. I am working on a building block kit, but it is not a Lego kit. I bought this, I know Dawn gasped. I bought this a couple of years ago because it was such a cute Halloween thing, and honestly, when I bought it, I didn't know it was mini bricks. So these bricks are smaller than real bricks, and you know, they're not the worst bricks ever, and they're going together okay, but it is very tiny and tedious. But whoa, the guy beside us came into our lane, and Don had to move us over to the shoulder so that he didn't hit us. Is that basically what happened?
Yeah, I think he was trying to go around that truck. He did, and I was in his blind spot. Yeah, now he's going around the truck. So.
Wow. Yeah, all I saw out of the corner of my right eye was a car in our lane where it shouldn't be, so Don did really good. Anyway, these bricks are tiny, and it's coming together okay. I mean to never buy one of these sets again, but this is a cute little Halloween thing, so I'm gonna build it. It's just been sitting around and I need to build it. It's Halloween time, I'm building it. We're here at the Sheets in Thomasville. It's 3:45, it's 73 degrees out. We got a little bit of rain, and Ruby's sitting at 103 miles. We need to use the restroom, and we always stop on the way down, either here or Salisbury. Now we're up to 187 miles. We've got about a 15-minute cushion on arrival. If we can time it right, we're going to pick Johnny up at the building that he gets out of his lab on, and you know, take him back to the dorm to save some time. I guess it's raining more inland now than I thought. I haven't looked at the radar to see if it's raining down at the school. And we're doing good. I'm on step 16. These steps all have 10 or 15 bricks spread out all over the place. They're pretty intense steps. We're on campus. It's just after 5. Lots of signs up about football weekend. Glad we're going to miss that tomorrow. I mean, Don and I wouldn't mind going to a game, but there's a lot of crowd and parking issues to deal with to do that. I just hear it's loud over here. We've got Johnny and have turned around and are heading back to Raleigh. I was looking to see if it said what time we were going to get home, but I think Don just has the supercharger plugged in right now.
Yeah, that's all.
Which we're approaching. This is the one that's close, not close to the school, not the Mallard Creek Church one, but Salisbury's just up the road a bit. As you can see, those clouds up ahead look pretty ominous. There was a small amount of rain at the school, not a lot. just little sprinkles, and we're dry here, but it definitely looks like there could be more rain up ahead. Look at the wrap. I think there's some special door handles on it too. Like somehow they're a little different. Oh, they're just out. I can't see to work on my Lego anymore, so we'll check out the clouds. It looks like things have dried out, even if the sky is still cloudy. Our ETA is still just a little after 8. We've got about 30 more minutes to go. We're on Highway 64 coming into Apex now. I don't know who's happier, you or Marty. Nighttime's been up for affection. I can hear Marty from over here. His person is home. Hi, Nighttime. Do you miss us? Good girl.